Alright, yo, so I'm at IKEA. There's like a Subaru down there, so I'm gonna show you if I can. Can you see that? Yeah, this is all I'm cruising in. But I'm about to go in IKEA right quick, so. Hey, yo, why do dudes have to be such assholes? Like, this is the shit I was talking about. Like, I was gonna speak on it yesterday, I just let it slide. But it's mostly like black dudes or Latino dudes, like, they're fucking assholes. Like, I asked, the white dude was cool. Like, I asked him, like, are they going to a cruise? The Latino dude looked at me like I'm fucking retarded. With a fucking mean ass look. Like, y'all don't have to be fucking assholes, bro. Like, assholes for like no fucking reason. So these right here. I don't know if Brandon coming out now because of the rain and shit. But it's not raining here. But they didn't say it was supposed to get rain. I don't know if Rob coming out. Oh, hey now. What the fuck they're doing? This nigga having too much fun. But yeah, I'm about to go say hi to Mark. I don't want to really do it when assholes do it. Hey yo, so Alex, damn, A-Rob says he's coming. I'm not sure. He says he's like 3 minutes away. Maybe. I don't know what he's doing. But here, waiting for him to do shit. It's like raining and shit. So yeah, he texted me. I told him like to come down.
I just wanna know what you know about me. I just wanna know what you know about me. A living legend when I die, know I said it here. Need them tennis chains hanging at the cashmere. Always been a G, running crazy at my fear. Got a buzz while I'm buzzing no light, yeah. Couple more people putting up with them compliments. Keep gassing me up, it feeds my confidence. When I'm over here, rapping on the mic, work at the crazy, go enjoy your fucking night. It's your life, bitch. Fuck them other guys who be jumping sides. You just live a lie, I'm just trying to fucking die. Legend when it's all said and done. I'ma make some records I dedicate to my son. Hesitation is none, domination I come. Frustration is one, perpetuating what's fun. Correlation is some, from me lashing out and killing all these fake trends. Just some drug addicted teens with some fake friends. I ain't gonna state again how I feel on this issue. Just know if you die from that shit, I will not miss you. I won't miss you, I will not miss you. I won't miss you. And I just wanna know what you know about me. And I just wanna know what you know about me. And I just wanna know. I'm really entering a new motherfucking level, man. I feel this shit deep down. 4 songs recorded out in the night. I just wanna ask the question, who the fuck is in sight of a kid who'll be working every day of his life?
So we at the JD, me and Rob, but he didn't make the cruise. But, I saw the couple Jonathan, trying to find Mark now. See, I think he's up top, so no way for fucking clean edition and shit. So I'm about to show y'all these sexy cars. I got a freaking Charger, dude. I got a Charger, so yeah, man.
Pull into a rest stop, I've been hella stressed out. Driving till my head drop, I'm gon' let the rest watch. Building up an empire, Benji's on my bedside. Roll that up and let's ride, I'm gon' let my pen fly. Pull into a rest stop, I've been hella stressed out. Driving till my head drop, I'm gon' let the rest watch. Building up an empire, Benji's on my bedside. Roll that up and let's ride, I'm gon' let my pen fly.
This money taking on my energy. OT dodging enemies. When I die, remember me. Homies know I've been a G. 3 blunts, that's a trilogy. I've been on the killer spree. Been in corners, killing streets. I keep a pack of Swisher sweets. Bad bitch roll my Swisher, please. Behind these shades, my vision clean. Back in my city, living means just hoping God gon' intervene. I'm just trying to get the cream. Sick of inside of missing things. Watch me when I hit the scene, I balance like a triple beam. Every night I'm going, rolling, zoning, serotonin, blowing potent, token, loud pack. You know it got me choking. Auntie hated, knowing damn well that she don't condone it. Living one way, they just wanna know my locomotive.
Pulling to a rest stop, I've been hella stressed out. Driving till my head drop, I'm gon' let the rest watch. Building up an empire, Benji's on my bedside. Roll that up and let's ride, I'm gon' let my pen fly. Pulling to a rest stop, I've been hella stressed out. Driving till my head drop, I'm gon' let the rest watch. Building up an empire, Benji's on my bedside. Roll that up and let's ride, I'm gon' let my pen fly.
I'm chasing big bank rolls, fucking hoes out the feelings, yeah. Heard up in my city, I'm the motherfucking villain. I'm just smoking, trying to hit the ceiling. I'm just rolling, trying to touch a billion. What y'all niggas on? Fuck 'em, that's just how I'm feeling. They ain't got the sauce, fuck 'em, that's just how I'm feeling. I'm chasing big bank rolls, fucking hoes out the feelings, yeah. Heard up in my city, I'm the motherfucking villain. I'm just smoking, trying to hit the ceiling. I'm just rolling, trying to touch a billion. What y'all niggas on? Fuck 'em.
I said I wanted that I see. She said she wanted lemonade. I said, baby, what's the difference? Said fruits and herbs ain't the same thing. I said I wanted that I see. She said she wanted lemonade. I said, baby, what's the difference? She said fruits and herbs ain't the same thing. I'll take it here to the ginseng. She take a shot of lemon lime. We both started the same. She was out of pitch the whole time. To her defense, I can hear right. Thought she said this was tight. She could really me and flight. She asked if I could spend the night. I said, are you sure you don't know me? She said, well, you seem like a homie. Plus you're cute and I'm on it. And I really don't wanna be alone. And I really don't wanna be alone. And I really don't wanna be alone. That shit just ring in my head now. I don't feel like I'm there. Now I'm stumbling, now she's stumbling. Yeah, we both fucking stumbling up the stairs to the room. You know what we about to do? Please don't call her up. Yeah, she just don't wanna be alone. I just need pleasure for the pain. Yeah, cause rent is fucking due every day. Now I'm stumbling, now she's stumbling. Yeah, we both fucking stumbling up the stairs to the room. You know what we about to do? Please don't call her up. Yeah, she just don't wanna be alone. I just need pleasure for the pain. Yeah, cause rent is fucking due every day. I see a lemonade, I see a lemonade. Alcohol and everything, it won't make you feel anything, yeah. I said I wanted that iced tea. She said she wanted lemonade. I said, baby, what's the difference? Said fruits and herbs ain't the same thing. I said I wanted that iced tea. She said she wanted lemonade. I said, baby, what's the difference? Said fruits and herbs ain't the same thing. An hour later, I'm up on her. She said you can terminate me. Sure, baby, I can be my young corner. She laughed and I said like that, baby. Now we playing in the sheets. Now we a couple of freaks. We both gonna get what we seek upstairs in our room. This is all we wanna do. Please don't call her up. Yeah, she just don't wanna be alone. And I just need pleasure for the pain. Cause rent is fucking due every day. Now we playing in the sheets. Now we a couple of freaks. We both gonna get what we seek upstairs in our room. This is all we wanna do. Please don't call her up. She just don't wanna be alone. And I just need pleasure for the pain. Cause rent is fucking due every day. Iced tea and lemonade, iced tea and lemonade. Alcohol and everything that won't make you feel anything, yeah. Iced tea and lemonade, iced tea and lemonade. Alcohol and everything that won't make you feel anything, yeah.
Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candle slit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, down is made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.